Okay, welcome back to the second part of the ShadowMega mod. This time we're going to look at how to remove the floppy carry handle here, as I mentioned last time, because this being so flexible, it actually impacts the side here and can bend the wall, so we definitely want to get rid of that. We need a couple of tools for that. I'm gonna put them on here. There is a metal saw, a couple of files, measure stick, and some pens and some paper. And the newspaper is basically to prevent any kind of filings from going either into the electronics in the back or into the bed or into the front. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take one of the pens and you're gonna measure 4 centimeters from the edge, from the outer edge. If you only have an imperial ruler, then just use 1.5 inches. That's about close enough. But if you can get it in millimeters or in centimeters, just do from the outer edge here. You can see that nicely. My setup is a little okay, so from the outer edge over here, go in 4 centimeters and put the line on here. And of course it's not writing. There you go. So that's 4 centimeters here. And then we do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so now that we have the markings, I'm going to demonstrate how it works on this side here, and then I'm going to do the other one afterwards. So the first thing you want to do is tape some newspaper here to catch the filings, the metal shavings. Just tape it on here. Tape it over here. Doesn't have to be pretty. Okay, so that should be good enough. Then the first thing I'm using is a triangular file, like one of those tiny little ones. And the reason why I'm doing that is a lot easier to start your cut here with a file than it is with the saw. So basically, just make a cut here. Just like that. That's actually the square one. It's a bit easier with the triangular one here. Of course, if you have a Dremel or something like that, that works as well. With the Dremel you can just cut through it easily. Then we take the metal saw and start cutting. And just like that. Oops. Yeah. You probably don't want to do that. Okay. And then we're going to take the paper away. Oh, the shavings are still in here. And on the bed. Anyways, we're going to clean that up a bit. At least none of it got into the back, into the electronics. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to go through that without recording and then I'll show you what I do after that. Okay, see you in a bit. Okay, now that the carry handle is gone, take the flat file and basically take the brim off the cut here. Now, as I said, this doesn't have to be pretty. It's going to be underneath the standoff cover anyways. So just get rid of the corners and the brim itself. Okay, and I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, and that's basically it. Floppy carry handle gone. The next video will deal with I'll probably do one for the heat certs, where they go, how you put them in, and so on. So I hope you're gonna watch that one too. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys later.